Top 5 Best Automotive Tool Sets. Number 5. Prostormer 240 Pieces Mechanic Tool Set. The Prostormer 240-piece mechanic tool set is the kind of kit that quietly earns its spot in the garage, the RV, or the trunk, then saves the day when something decides to fall apart at the worst time. It comes packed in a heavy-duty aluminum toolbox that feels tougher than the usual plastic cases. Inside, everything has its own spot with clear labels and cutouts that make missing tools obvious. Great for organization, slightly dangerous for anyone with everything must be perfect energy. The tools themselves are better than expected for the price. Sockets and wrenches are made from chrome vanadium steel with a polished finish to fight rust and handle real torque. The set covers SAE, 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch sockets, ratchets, extensions, screwdrivers, pliers, and a mountain of bits. It's not premium and fancy, but it's far from bargain bin junk. A few pieces may pop loose during shipping, and the label case can take a minute to figure out, but once it's set up, it's a solid, ready-for-anything tool stash. Coming in number 4. KingTool 276-piece toolset kit. The KingTool 276-piece toolset kit is basically a small hardware store packed into one box, built for life, not just emergency drawer fantasies. The star of the show is the upgraded toolbox design, a top storage area plus a sliding drawer, so tools pile up like laundry. It's meant to keep things organized and fast to grab, though the case quality feels cheap, and some pieces may pop out of their slots when moved around. Tool variety is the big win here. Covers everyday jobs like furniture builds, appliance installs, and quick home fixes with wrenches, screwdrivers, pliers, a hammer, saw, sockets, and more. The tools have a heat-treated chrome finish for durability, and the TPR handles stay comfortable even for projects. A 12-volt cordless drill is included, lightweight at 1.76 with 2 speeds and up to 1500 RPM. It's handy as a power screwdriver and light-duty drill. It's not a beast. Some users report the chuck the chan fail over time. For the price, it's a strong value pick and a smart gift for someone starting fresh in a new place or rebuilding life with a toolbox and pure stubbornness. Coming in number 3. KingTool 325-piece home repair toolkit. The KingTool 325-piece home repair toolkit is what happens when Be Prepared gets serious, in a good way. It packs a huge spread of tools into a plastic case with a sliding drawer, so everything stays separated instead of turning into a metal soup. The selection is built for real home life. Wrenches, pliers, a hammer, tape measure, precision screwdrivers, and a full range of 1/4 inch width, and 3 8-inch metric sockets. The 72-tooth ratchet is a nice touch too, especially in tight spaces where a clunky ratchet would throw a tantrum. There's also a deep bit set, Phillips, slotted, star, square posy, and comfortable TPR grips that don't punish the hands. Build quality feels solid for the price. Tools are heat-treated chrome steel for strength and corrosion resistance, and everything meets ANSI standards. One standout bonus, the included fasteners, screws, anchors, and small hardware. Screws, anchors, and small hardware. Save surprise trips to the store. This kit shines as a housewarming gift or a stop borrowing tools forever upgrade. It's organized, complete, and actually gets used week after week. Coming in number 2. WORKPRO 450-piece drive socket set. The WORKPRO 450-piece drive socket set is the kind of toolkit that makes a garage feel instantly more serious. It's big, packed, and ready for everything from brake jobs to lawnmower drama. The highlight is the variety: sockets, quick-release ratchets, combination wrenches, hex keys, bit sets, and even a magnetic holder. It all lives inside a blow-molded case with 4 trays and locking clips, so the chaos stays contained, mostly. Shipping can shake a few small sockets loose, but the layout makes it easy to put everything back where it belongs. The chrome finish is the real flex. It's triple-plated, polished, and heat-treated to fight corrosion, and the main chrome tools hold up well even under heavy force. Some users even lean on a cheater bar without the ratchet giving up. A few details keep it from perfection. Socket size markings are shallow and hard to read on shiny chrome. And while the tools resist rust, the case itself is not water resistant. Leave it in the rain and it becomes a surprise aquarium. Also, the black finished bits and Allen keys can rust faster than expected. Still, for the price, it's a serious amount of tool for the money. Coming in number 1. CRAFTSMAN 230 PCS Mechanics Toolset. The CRAFTSMAN 230-piece Mechanics Toolset is built for the weekend warrior who wants real capability without turning the garage into a museum of expensive tools. It's an all-in-one kit with 91 sockets, 3 ratchets, 21 wrenches, hex keys, specialty bits, and accessories, packed into a durable 3-drawer case that plays nicely with the VersaStack system. The ratchets are the main attraction. The low-profile head slips into tight spaces, and the 72-tooth design gives a smooth 5-degree swing, which matters when knuckles are already negotiating piece terms. The drawers can be removed and stacked on top for quick access, and the one-handed locking dial is a small feature that feels surprisingly smart. There are a few almost perfect moments. The drawers slide but don't ride on rollers, and they can't be rearranged, so the most used 3/8-inch tray might not land where it's wanted. The layout also wastes some space with fixed plastic pegs. Socket markings can be hard to read, especially in low light. Still, the value is strong, the assortment is practical, and the full lifetime warranty is the safety net that keeps this set easy to recommend.